Hey guys, so look what I just got in the mail today. I got this mini security camera. So as you can see, it's like pretty tiny. I love this size because like you can put it wherever you want. It you can use it just like this, or it comes with the actual mounting place, so that's really good. And then of course it comes with the manual. So yeah, this is a smart camera, so you can use it for any use that you want to do it. So like for me, I'll be using it in my room because my kids are always here, so I gotta like make sure that they're not doing anything wrong. But yeah, you can use it for whatever. You can use it for that, just for security reasons, for your pets. So yeah. So yeah, here you can see it comes with the mounting stuff to put it all already. And then this is the camera, as you can see. And then here in a little bit, I'll be showing you how it looks once you turn it on. So yeah, in here, this is how the actual camera looks. So like, this is how it's gonna look on your phone. This is from the app, and then here you can see this is how the app looks. So you have a lot of like different options to choose from. And then the best thing about it is that it's not only for during the day, so like it's gonna change depending on where the camera is from. So like you get to choose the brightness, you can talk to it, you can hear, you can take a video, you can take pictures, you can save it to your cloud. So yeah, this is like a really great quality camera. Like this is actually pretty great. And then another great feature is the night vision, and as you can see, the night vision is like pretty great quality as well. And then whenever it detects motion, it's gonna let you know, so that's really good. So yeah, this is the great camera option for your house. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, but I love it.